Before you make your final decision on the ASRock Z890 Pro RS motherboard, stick around to discover some surprising downsides that might make you think twice. The ASRock Pro RS motherboard boasts a sleek, modern design with a minimalist aesthetic, making it a versatile choice for various PC builds. Its ATX form factor ensures compatibility with a wide range of cases, and the layout is thoughtfully organized for easy component installation. One of the standout features is its support for the latest Intel Core Ultra processors, thanks to the LGA 1851 socket and Intel Z890 chipset. This combination delivers robust performance for both gaming and productivity tasks. The motherboard supports DDR5 memory, allowing for impressive overclocking capabilities with speeds reaching up to 8666 plus MHz, facilitated by ASRock's Memory OC Shield, which reduces electromagnetic interference for enhanced stability. In terms of expansion, the ASRock Pro RS offers a PCIe 5.0x16 slot for the latest graphics cards, ensuring both high bandwidth for gaming and professional applications. Additionally, it provides multiple M2 slots, including one supporting PCIe Gen 5x4 speeds, ideal for high-performance NVMe SSDs. Connectivity options are comprehensive, featuring Thunderbolt 4 Type-C ports for high-speed data transfer and versatile device compatibility. The inclusion of Dragon RTL 8125BG 2.5GB/s Ethernet ensures fast and reliable wired network connections. However, it's worth noting that this model lacks built-in Wi-Fi, which may be a consideration for users who prefer wireless connectivity. Priced at approximately $220, the ASRock Pro RS offers a solid feature set for its cost, making it a competitive option in its category. For the latest offers and availability, check out the Amazon link in the description. So what are the pros and cons of choosing this motherboard? Cons: lacks built-in Wi-Fi, limited USB ports compared to some competitors, potential challenges with high-end CPU overclocking, absence of advanced audio features. Pros: supports latest Intel Core Ultra processors, high DDR5 memory overclocking potential, PCIe 5.0x16 slot for modern GPUs, multiple M2 slots including PCIe Gen 5 support, Thunderbolt 4 Type-C ports, 2.5GB/s Ethernet for fast wired connections, user-friendly BIOS interface. To explore the latest deals on the ASRock Pro RS, check out the Amazon link in the description. If you found this review helpful, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment with your thoughts or questions.